Hi friends, come with me to Costco because we're going clearance hunting for the month of August. I found some of the best markdowns this week, including the Ninja Slushi frozen drink maker, a Keurig coffee maker, a beautiful rustic ceramic vase, summer items at clearance prices, and so many other great deals you don't want to miss. If you love finding a good Costco bargain as much as I do, this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. And guys, just look at how nice these rustic ceramic vases are. I found them going for $14.97, and I will say I found this price in several Costco locations. At one point, these were going for $23.99, by the way. And these are approximately like 17 inches tall. They are watertight, so you can use them with fresh flowers, but they also work with dried florals or branches. You have 3 different designs to choose from, and these would look so pretty on an entryway table or displayed with some fall branches. Now, in my previous video, I had told you to keep an eye out for the 5-piece melamine mixing bowl set that comes with lids because it had the Death Star on there. And guys, this time around, I found it going for $15. So originally it goes for $20, so right now it has like a $5 difference. Costco San Dimas, by the way, in case anyone's interested. And this bowl set right here has lids, so you can use it for mixing, for serving and storing food. You also get like from half a quart all the way up to 5 quarts. So you get tons of different sizes, and they also have non-slip bottoms to keep them in place while you're mixing. Plus, they all nest together for easy storage, and you can see you have 2 colors to choose from. Keep an eye out for these summer items because I did find several of these products marked down, guys. For example, here we have the Tommy Bahama. It's a 7.5-foot beach umbrella. I found it going for $29.97 at Costco Garden Grove. But I will say at one point these are going for $40. So right now it is like a $10 difference. These do have UPF 50 plus. And they have that tilt feature that, of course, lets you reposition the umbrella or the shade pretty much as the sun moves. It is lightweight. It's approximately 5 pounds. Now, if you've been wanting a pool in your backyard, guys, this one right here is the family lounge pool, and it is over 10 feet long. I found it going for $34.97 at Costco Fountain Valley. I will say at one point, this product right here is going for $49.99, so pretty close to 50 bucks. So it's like a $15 difference right now. But it holds up to 338 gallons of water. It has a built-in bench seat with a headrest that way you can relax. 2 built-in cup holders. It has an easy-to-use drain valve, and it also comes with a repair patch. It's approximately 17.5 pounds once you empty it. Moving on to some beach chairs. I found this one by Tommy Bahama at a clearance price for the first time, guys, and it's a beautiful chair too. It has a beautiful wood grain finish. I found it going for $39.97. At one point, it was going for $59.99. So I definitely love the price, and look at how beautiful it looks. So this one definitely sits higher off the ground, so it makes it easier to get in and out of it. It also has 7 reclining positions, a comfortable headrest, and a built-in cup holder. It also comes with a padded shoulder strap, so they're easy to carry to the beach. Now, this is the second beach chair I found marked down. This one was at Costco Garden Grove, by the way. I found it going for $29.97. The original price is of $44.99. Has 5 reclining positions, and you can actually push this one like all the way back. So you can lay it flat. It has a drink holder and storage for your phone and, of course, other essentials. I love the padded back straps because they make the chair so much easier to carry. And it has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Costco has 2 styles to choose from. Check out this service for 8 of stainless steel flatware set that comes with a caddy. I found it going for $15, which is half off. This Costco Garden Grove, by the way, at one point it was going for $30, so $15 is a great price. Costco now seems to have a limited stock for the product. I will say it is available in brown in some locations, but here I only found it in gray. We use our Keurig Crema single serve coffee maker all the time. It's such a convenient way to make your coffee, and you can actually do espresso style shots or you can do like the classic brew. It comes with 32 K-cup pods, which of course is so convenient. $99.97 is the price here at Costco Garden Grove. At one point, this one was going for $170, so I do think this is an amazing price. Again, you can do espresso style shots, classic brew. You can choose from 4 different cup sizes. And yeah, we like it. It's very simple to operate. When I come across stuff like this at Costco, it really gets me thinking on, emergencies or situations I would love to prevent, of course. This is a fire blanket by Rapid Off. It comes as a 2 pack. It's on sale right now with $5 off until August 31st. It seems like it's very easy to operate. All you have to do is pretty much pull the tab, you unfold it, and then you cover the fire. And so it's 40 by 40 inches. It has a metal hook included so that way you can hang it easily on the wall or door, and it handles really high temperatures. I came across the indoor and outdoor kettle smoker once again. This is Costco Garden Grove. It was going for $70 at this location. They're listing it at $29.97. And keep in mind, you can actually use it indoors on your stovetop or outside on the grill to give your food that authentic smoked flavor. It also comes with 5 different wood chip varieties, so you can experiment with like different flavors. Imagine guys using this on like ribs, brisket, of course, fish, veggies, and pizza. And like I mentioned previously, Costco's trying to get rid of these summer products right now. I I was double checking the price on this one, but I didn't expect to find it today. The Ninja Slushi Professional Frozen Drink Maker, guys. 219.97. What? This Costco Garden Grove, by the way. At one point, it was going for $280. This is the Costco exclusive version, by the way. It's the 96 ounce. So it has a large capacity. You have 5 preset programs too, so you can do slush. You can do spike slush, frappe, milkshake, and frozen juice. So this one's designed for like a smooth, consistent frozen texture. It does come with bubble cups. You get 2 of those, and they are of 16 ounces. I'm noticing that several Costco's continue to carry the waterproof dry bag. This one right here is by Tommy Bahama, and it's of a great size too, 20 liters. I found it going for $4.97, Costco Fountain Valley, but I do have a feeling it's going to sell it pretty fast, guys. At one point, it was going for $20, and you can see this is what it looks like. It has a detachable shoulder strap, and in this location, they still have both options. So they got the blue stripe and the dark blue floral design one, and these are pretty lightweight. They're about 1.5 pounds. I wasn't planning on grabbing any sleepwear set, but here we are. This is the 2 piece by Calvin Klein. And considering, the brand, check out the price, $9.97. At one point, it was going for $18. In case anyone else is interested, it's Costco Garden Grove, by the way. And these are definitely getting hard to find too. I'm not seeing them in every single Costco location anymore. But these are very soft. And let me show you guys here the sizing recommendations. So you can see sizing goes from extra small all the way up to extra large. But I did find it in black, and they also have it in a very pretty light blue color. And guys, Costco Garden Grove, I found the Adidas Cloud Foam Flex sneakers for men at the lowest price ever. I found them going for $9.97. So imagine at one point these were going for $37. So from 37 down to 10. Huge markdown. This location does have them in 2 colors. They do have them the navy blue and also black, but I will say they only have size 13 left. Now, for the first time, I came across the cotton stretch camisoles marked down. These come as a 4 pack, by the way, another summer item. I found them going for $9.97 here at Costco Tustin, and so it's like a $6 difference from the original price, considering at one point they were going for $16. These are tag free. You can adjust the straps, and keep in mind in this 4 pack you get 2 white camisoles and 2 black. Sizing is very limited at this location, by the way. I came across the delicious Malona bars. This is a 24 pack at Costco that comes with the famous strawberry flavor. I've tried the melon and the mango, but I still haven't tried the strawberry one. $3.70 off right now. These are on sale, guys, until August 30th. So if you've been wanting to stock up, now's the perfect time. It's around 130 calories for just one bar, and this one has around 17 to 18 grams of sugar per serving. Costco always gets me. I was just telling my husband we're in need of butter, so it's the perfect time for us to stock up. The Kirkland Signature Butter that's grass fed is $2 off until August 30th, guys. So it went from 12 down to $10. This one right here is the salted version, by the way. And so 1 tablespoon is around 100 calories. Oh man, I've been wanting to try these. These are the French pistachio filled crepes. Let me know if if anyone recommends them because I really like the Nutella ones. It's a 1.32 pound bag going for $4.97, so $5. At one point, these are going for 11. And the serving size is one crepe, 140 calories, but I mean, it is dessert, guys. So has around 12 grams of sugar. And as always, with this clearance stuff, you got to check the date. So it says here best if used by September 10th of 2026.